The Old Bookshop. In a quiet town, there was an old bookshop. It was owned by an old man named Mr. Johnson. The shop had very old books. One sunny day, a girl named Emily walked by the bookshop. She went inside. It smelled like old books and felt cozy. Mr. Johnson welcomed Emily and asked if she wanted a book. Emily liked stories and wanted to see the books. Mr. Johnson smiled and showed her around. Emily looked at old books with pretty covers. She found a book with a worn cover. It was called The Adventures of Amelia. She asked Mr. Johnson about the book. He said it was a story about a brave explorer named Amelia. Emily liked it and decided to buy it. As she left, Mr. Johnson said,
"Every book here has a special story. Enjoy your reading, young lady."
Emily went home and read The Adventures of Amelia. The book took her to exciting places. She felt like she was traveling with Amelia. Days turned into weeks, and Emily loved the book. She read it at night with her lamp. It was a story she would always treasure. Emily realized the shop was a magical place with stories to discover. She wanted to find more tales, so she visited Mr. Johnson's shop again. Emily's love for reading and her visits to the shop continued, showing her exciting adventures and imagination, one book at a time.